Hi friends, my name is Dhanusya, studying 3A. I am going to say food preservations. So, if we keep this sugar in the can, we will just get the ants and all these. So that's why keep this close inside this sugar and keep it in a can, then you will not get the ants. When we fry this lady's finger, we will just get so much stickily, right? So at that time take and keep it in a fan like this for some time, then we will not get so much stickily. And mirchi, when we take this top thing and keep it in the fridge for some time, that will be so much fresh to the long time. So the coriander, when we wrap it in a newspaper like this and keep it in a cover, then that will not at all damage anything. It will be for a long days. The potatoes, when we keep it in the fridge for sometimes, they will just be so much blackly at one place, so darkly, right? So in that time, keep in onion basket like this, those two, then that will not at all damage. And banana, when we want banana like this only for the long days, we should just keep this wrapper like this, and that will not at all damage to a long days. This is suji pindi, this is suji rava, and when we will keep like this, some baby insects, all the insects will be coming in this, right? So that's why we should just fry it and keep it in a can, then no insects will be coming in this. Be safe. Thank you.